Prepositions of time in, on, at. In is used for longer periods of time, such as months, seasons, years, the decade, the century, and longer durations. On is used for specific days and dates. At is used for specific points in time, such as specific times, holidays, and special events. The concert is blank Saturday. The time indicator in this sentence is Saturday. Saturday is a day. Therefore, here we use the preposition on. The concert is on Saturday. The store closes blank 9 p.m. The time word in this sentence is 9 p.m. 9 p.m. is specific time. So, we use the time preposition at. The store closes at 9 p.m. My birthday is blank March. The time word in this sentence is March. March is a month. So, we use the time preposition in. My birthday is in March. The festival is blank October 31st. The time word in this sentence is October 31st. October 31st is a date. So, we use the time preposition on. The festival is on October 31st. He'll be back blank a few days. The time indicator in this sentence is a few days. A few days is a duration. Therefore, here we use the time preposition in. He'll be back in a few days. She was born blank 1995. The time indicator in this sentence is 1995. 1995 is a year. Therefore, here we use the time preposition in. She was born in 1995. We'll meet blank Christmas. The time indicator in this sentence is Christmas. Christmas is a holiday. Therefore, here we use the time preposition at. We'll meet at Christmas. We'll meet you blank the morning. The time indicator in this sentence is the morning. With the morning, the afternoon, the evening, we use the time preposition in. We'll meet you in the morning. The weather was terrible blank last Monday. The time indicator in this sentence is last Monday. With last, next, this, every, we don't use the time preposition before them. Therefore, the answer is, the weather was terrible last Monday. We have a few quiz questions now. Each one is worth 1 point. Let's see how many points you can get. How many points did you get? Leave your score in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful. Bye! See you in the next video.